Qualcomm sales and forecasts came up light as smartphone chip sales fell 25%. We can see in the pre-market the stock is selling off roughly 10% after it posted $1.87 in adjusted earnings per share on 8.44 billion in revenue for the second quarter, while analysts were looking for $1.81 per share on 8.5 billion. Qualcomm also gave soft guidance and noted weak cell phone chip sales. Deutsche Bank downgraded the shares to a hold from a buy following earnings, while JP Morgan and USB maintained their respective overweight and neutral rating. So let's go to the charts to see where price is heading next. We can see from the monthly chart that price has hit a nice support level at roughly the 107 level. The big level to go long is and still remains roughly at $90, where you have these huge selling wicks, which will now serve as support if price can ever get down to these levels. However, the first level of support where buyers are defending again remain at the 107 level. Let's go down to the weekly chart. But before we do that, it's important to note that again on the monthly chart, momentum is to the downside, although it's been range bound based on this 13 simple monthly moving average. However, price last month closed above the down trend line, which is bullish. Now, when I look at the weekly chart, again, you can see that the weekly chart shows that price has been range bound for the past 10 or so months. However, the current momentum is to the upside. You can see that if I put this trend line, and on a smaller chart, you can see, which we'll get to, is that the short-term trend is up. Let's just put a resistance support band right here at 140. This is going to signify that this is the top side for the most short-term uptrend line on the daily chart. So, the risk to reward is not great, is what I'm implying. All right, so this is the daily chart, and what we can see is that when the price opens up, when the market opens up at 9:30 Eastern Time, price is going to be below this short-term uptrend line, weekly trend line, and price is going to be below all the moving averages as well. But again, that's just the open with. Not sure if we're going to get a gap and go to the downside or if buyers are going to see this as an opportunity to go long. Again, the market opens in roughly 21 minutes. But again, the upside is limited with a short-term target at the 140 level. If price retests this monthly resistance support band, that could be an opportunity to go long, as that's what you want to do in the game of trading. You buy low, you sell high. So again, if I scroll out, let's go back out to the weekly. Again, price is range bound. Play the range. You can short at 140, buy at the 107 level until you get a definitive breakout in either direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.